Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video we have learned storage devices. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now in this video we will study about TuxPaint. TuxPaint is drawing program designed for young children. It has a simple, easy to use interface, fun sound effects and an encouraging cartoon mascot who help guide children as they use the program. It provides a blank canvas and a variety of drawing tools to help. You already know how to draw and edit pictures using Paint. However, Paint is not the only application software that can be used for drawing and coloring. TuxPaint is a user-friendly application used for drawing and coloring purposes. Features of TuxPaint. The TuxPaint drawing program is considered one of the best drawing programs due to the following features. Number 1. It is available for free and can be downloaded from the internet. Number 2. It provides a large variety of tools that can be used while drawing, and special sound effects are heard when a tool is selected. Number 3. It provides a large variety of magical effects, special sound effects and animations that can be added to the drawing created by the user. Number 4. Its official mascot, the Linux Penguin, guide and help the user understand different features of TuxPaint. Number 5. The images can be directly saved as thumbnails and a special name need not be given to the file. Starting TuxPaint. The TuxPaint software is a freely available software. After the software is installed on your system, follow the steps given below. Number 1. Click on the Start button. Number 2. Select all program. Then click on TuxPaint. TuxPaint full screen to open it in the full screen, or TuxPaint windowed to open it in a new window, or double click the left mouse button on the TuxPaint desktop icon. Number 3. The TuxPaint welcome window opens. The TuxPaint window is generally opened as a new window because all the options cannot be seen in the full screen. Components of the TuxPaint window. A standard TuxPaint window is shown as below. The size of the TuxPaint window can be changed using the Configure TuxPaint tool. Number 1. Toolbar. The different tools available in TuxPaint are seen in the left pane of the window. They are used for drawing, editing, saving and opening pictures. Number 2. Drawing canvas. It is the blank area in the center of the window used for creating images. Number 3. Selector pane. The right pane of the window shows the different options available under the tool selected in the toolbar pane. Number 4. Colors. It is a palette of colors in the lower part of the TuxPaint window. Number 5. Help area. This area is represented by the TuxPaint mascot, Linux Penguin. It is found in the lowest portion of the TuxPaint window. Tips and information regarding the tool selected in the left pane can be seen here. Drawing tools in TuxPaint. The different tools available in TuxPaint include paint brushes, stamps, Linux, shapes, text, label, magic, undo, redo and eraser. The drawings are kept for future use using other tools like open, save, print and quit. You can also open a new drawing canvas from here. For every tool selected and used, a sound is heard in the background with the movement of the mouse. Lines. It is used to draw straight lines. Follow these steps to draw a line using the line tool. Number 1. Click on the line tool in the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer will change to a cross in the drawing canvas. Number 2. Select a color from the colors palette. Number 3. Select the desired size or thickness of the line in the selector pane. Number 4. Click on the left mouse button in the drawing canvas to make the starting of the line and drag the mouse. As you will drag the mouse, a thick rubber band like line will be seen. It represents the area in the drawing canvas where the line will appear. Number 5. Release the mouse button after reaching the desired length. Shapes. It is used to create simple filled or unfilled shapes. Follow the steps to draw a shape using the Shapes tool. Number 1. Click on the Shapes tool in the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer will change to a cross in the drawing canvas. Number 2. Select a color from the colors palette. Number 3. Click on the desired shape in the selector pane. Number 4. Bring the mouse to the drawing canvas and click the left mouse button to start drawing the shape from its center. Number 5. Drag the mouse button further away to increase the size of the shape and release it when the desired size is reached. Move the left mouse button to rotate the shape in the desired directions and release the mouse button. Text. This tool is used to insert text and numbers in the picture. Follow these steps to draw using the text tool. Number 1. Click on the text tool in the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer will change in the drawing canvas. Number 2. Select a color from the colors palette. Number 3. Select a text style from the selector pane. The up and down arrows in the selector pane can be used to increase or decrease the font size. Number 4. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas and click the left mouse button once. A blinking cursor will be seen. Type the text. Use the Enter key to move the next line. Number 5. Click on the desired location in the drawing canvas to move the text in the box to that location. Magic. It is a set of tools with magical effects. These magical effects can be added to the drawing to enhance them. Follow the steps to add effects using the Magic tool. Number 1. Click on the Magic tool in the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer will change to a magic and one in the drawing canvas. Number 2. Select the desired magical effect from the selector pane. You can choose to apply a magical effect to specific parts of the picture by clicking the left mouse button at the desired locations. You can also apply it to the entire picture by clicking and dragging. use the left and right arrow buttons below the down arrow in the selector pane to do so. Undo and redo. Pressing the undo option cancels the last drawing actions. The redo option repeats the drawing action cancelled just before. Both these options can be used more than once if the user has not undertaken a new drawing action. Eraser. It is used to erase a part of the picture. Follow the steps to erase a part of the picture using the eraser tool. Number 1. Click on the eraser tool in the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer changes to a square with a plus sign in the center. Number 2. You can select the size and shape of your eraser from the selector pane. Number 3. Bring the mouse to the desired location on the drawing canvas. Number 4. Hold the left mouse button and drag it to the desired portion. Number 5. Release the mouse button after the particular portion has been erased. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.